The Honda CR-V has been one of the best-selling compact SUVs for years, and for 2026, Honda has continued refining what already worked while fixing some of the older weak points. This generation focuses heavily on comfort, modern technology, improved efficiency, and a wider hybrid lineup, making the CR-V more competitive than ever in today's SUV market. On this channel, we break cars down the real way: price, performance, comfort, tech, and long-term value. So if that helps you make smarter choices, consider subscribing for more. Now let's take a full look at what the 2026 Honda CR-V offers and whether it still deserves its strong reputation. Pricing and trim lineup. The 2026 Honda CR-V is available in both gasoline and hybrid versions, which gives buyers a wide price range and plenty of options. The standard gasoline CR-V starts around the low $30,000 mark, making it accessible for buyers who want a reliable SUV without stepping into premium pricing. Moving into the hybrid lineup, prices generally start in the upper $30,000s and climb into the low $40,000s for fully loaded trims. The hybrid trims include the Sport Hybrid as the entry option, the Sport L Hybrid with more comfort features, the Trail Sport Hybrid with rugged styling, and the top-of-the-line Sport Touring Hybrid packed with advanced technology. Each trim adds meaningful upgrades, so you're not just paying for a name, you're actually getting more features and refinement as you move up. Engine options and power. Honda keeps things simple with two main powertrains. The gasoline CR-V uses a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing around 190 horsepower. It's tuned for smoothness and reliability rather than speed. For daily driving, it feels responsive enough for merging, passing, and highway cruising. It's quiet and refined most of the time, especially at steady speeds. All-wheel drive is available on most trims for drivers who deal with rain, snow, or rougher roads. The hybrid models use a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with electric motors, producing just over 200 horsepower and strong low-end torque. The hybrid feels noticeably quicker from a stop compared to the gas version, and much smoother in traffic. Power transitions are seamless, and most of the time you won't even notice when the system switches between electric and gasoline power. Acceleration is confident, reaching highway speeds in about 7 seconds, which is very good for a family-focused SUV. Fuel economy and real-world efficiency. Fuel economy is where the CR-V hybrid really shines. Front-wheel drive hybrid models deliver mileage in the low 40s in city driving and mid-30s on the highway. All-wheel drive versions are slightly lower, but still among the most efficient SUVs in this class. The gasoline CR-V offers decent fuel economy but doesn't compete with the hybrid savings. For most buyers who do a lot of city driving or long commutes, the hybrid version will save a noticeable amount of fuel over time. Towing capacity is modest, around 1,000 pounds for hybrid models, which is enough for small trailers, bikes, or light equipment. Exterior design. The 2026 CR-V continues with a bold and more rugged look compared to older generations. The front grille is wider and more upright, giving the SUV a confident presence on the road. LED headlights and taillights are standard on most trims and give it a modern appearance. Body lines are clean and simple rather than overly flashy, which helps the CR-V age well over time. The Trail Sport Hybrid trim stands out with tougher styling elements, like unique wheels, darker accents, and a more adventurous appearance designed for outdoor-oriented buyers. Overall, the CR-V now looks more premium and mature than ever before. Interior comfort and space. Step inside the 2026 CR-V and you'll find a cabin focused on comfort and usability. The dashboard layout is clean and simple, with physical buttons for important controls, which many drivers prefer over fully touch-based systems. A large touchscreen is standard across the lineup, making the interior feel modern right away. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing easy phone connection without cables.
Higher trims include a digital instrument cluster that replaces traditional gauges with a modern display showing speed, navigation, and hybrid system information. Seats are very comfortable, especially for long drives. Honda has focused on good posture support and cushioning, which really makes a difference on road trips. Rear seat space is excellent for a compact SUV, with plenty of legroom and headroom for adults. Cargo space is another strong point. Behind the rear seats, there's plenty of room for groceries, luggage, and everyday items. Folding the seats down opens up a large flat area for bigger loads. While the interior is well built and practical, some materials, especially on lower trims, are more durable than luxurious. You'll notice harder plastics in some areas, but everything feels solid and long-lasting.
Technology and infotainment. Technology in the 2026 CR-V is well balanced between modern and easy to use. Standard features include a large infotainment screen, wireless smartphone connectivity, multiple USB-C charging ports, digital driver display on higher trims, wireless charging pad on select models. Top trims add premium audio systems, built-in navigation apps, and more advanced connectivity options. The interface is straightforward and easy to learn, though not the flashiest in the segment. For most users, it gets the job done smoothly without frustration. Safety features. Safety is one of Honda's strongest areas, and the 2026 CR-V includes a full suite of driver assistance features as standard equipment. This includes automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and traffic sign recognition. These systems work naturally and support the driver rather than feeling overly sensitive. The CR-V is built with strong crash protection and continues Honda's reputation for excellent safety performance. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, the CR-V is all about comfort and confidence. The suspension absorbs bumps well, making it comfortable for city streets and highways alike. Steering is light and easy, which makes parking and tight spaces stress-free. The hybrid model is especially quiet at low speeds when driving on electric power. At higher speeds, the cabin stays calm, though some road noise can come through on rough pavement. This isn't a sporty SUV, but it excels at being smooth, predictable, and relaxing, exactly what most buyers want in a daily vehicle.
Which trim makes the most sense? If budget is your main concern, the base gasoline CR-V offers good value and proven reliability. However, the Sport Hybrid is the best overall choice for most buyers. It offers excellent fuel economy, smooth performance, and strong feature content for the price. The Sport L Hybrid adds extra comfort touches and tech upgrades. The Trail Sport Hybrid is ideal for buyers who like rugged styling. And the Sport Touring Hybrid is for those who want the most advanced features and premium feel. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent hybrid fuel economy, spacious and comfortable cabin, strong reliability reputation, advanced safety features standard, smooth and easy driving experience, wide range of trims. Cons: some interior materials feel basic. Infotainment system isn't class-leading, not designed for sporty driving, limited towing capacity on hybrids. The 2026 Honda CR-V continues to be one of the most well-rounded compact SUVs on the market. It focuses on what matters most to everyday drivers: comfort, efficiency, space, safety, and long-term dependability. The hybrid models in particular offer excellent value with strong fuel savings and smooth performance. While it may not be the most exciting SUV to drive, it's one of the smartest and easiest vehicles to live with. If you're looking for a compact SUV that delivers in nearly every important category, the 2026 Honda CR-V remains a top choice.